Morning, guys. We are going to go to the nursery this morning and try to pick up some things. They also apparently have their Halloween stuff out, which is my very favorite holiday. So I might have to get a couple things. We'll see. All right, let's head over to the nursery. Place. I am highly skilled at buying things I absolutely do not need. However, the plants that we got, I actually do need. So we'll go over them when we get home and I'll show you where I'm going to put them, but I'm really happy about that. I did pick up some 6-packs of brassicas because the ones I was starting from seed are looking kind of weak as seedlings. These are much further along. It's still warm outside, but I think I'm going to go on and pop these in the ground. I can always do more successions. In the gift shop, I got 2 books. This one called Pumpkin It Up. Well, our whole family loves pumpkins and winter squashes, and I have lots of recipes already, but I always love recipe books, so I'm looking forward to that. And then this one, super fun. Witchcraft cocktails. I actually don't really drink. I mean, it's very rare that I do, but my husband loves making cocktails and there are some really cool things in here. Just fun. I mean, it's gonna be fun just to read. So looking forward to that. And then I'm really hungry, so I got a snack for the drive home. Chocolate covered popcorn. Anyway, let's head home and we'll go over the plants that we got. Okay, I don't know that I'm going to plant these today. I don't know if I'll have time because one of the things we need to do today, me and the kids, is install our Hoselink on this wall. So for now, I will just go over what I got. These are both Rudbeckia. And yes, I do usually grow these from seed. This is a variety called Sonora. I just thought they were gorgeous and they take a long time to grow from seed. So I'm thinking I might put these in the bed where the sunflowers were, in that hole in the back. They won't get hugely tall, and so they'll stay under the window and they'll just bring constant color there. And then these gorgeous salvia, can't remember the variety, so let me look at it. Big Blue, so beautiful. They're going to go in the cottage garden in some of those holes in the back that need something tall, because you know salvias get really tall. And then also in the cottage garden, but more towards the front where we have some holes, I've got a lot of lantana. And the great thing about lantana is it is super drought tolerant. It actually enjoys dry soil. So in those areas in the cottage garden where I have a hard time getting water to go just because of the way the sprinklers are set up, because we still haven't fixed those. These will look good. And you notice, I mean, with the exception of the salvia, everything is a warm color because we are moving into the end of summer, beginning of fall. And so I kind of want the garden to reflect that in these colors. Now, all of these are perennial here, so they will always come back. The lantana will need haircuts and stuff, and I should deadhead the rudbeckia to keep them blooming. But then the last thing I got some cabbage. This is called Ruby Bell. I also got a white one. I got some cauliflower, cheddar cauliflower. And this is chess cabbage. It's a white cabbage. A white cabbage. And then, what is this? This is green comet broccoli. And then we have another white cauliflower called Snow Crown. And then I got more thyme, creeping thyme. This is a red one for the sunflower, well, the previous sunflower bed, the one in the backyard that we just cleaned up, because some of it, there's some holes in the ground cover that I want to fill in, and these fill in fast. Okay, so I'm gonna go eat lunch. It's warm, but not too bad. This area stays shaded most of the time, so in a little bit, kids and I are gonna come out and try to put the Hoselink right here. It's hard to do that in reverse. We've been needing to put this up for like 6 months. Maybe not that long, but it feels like it. We were going to put it on the stucco wall, but after doing some research, I decided that was a terrible idea. So we installed it on a 1-inch pipe, which you can easily lift this thing right off. It's not like permanently attached to that pipe. It pivots, which is wonderful. And it's got multiple sprays on the head. They're really great. I have one out at the farm. I love it. And it's retractable completely. So that's 82 feet, completely retractable. It's charcoal gray, so it kind of blends in over here. You don't even really see it. We are going to need to hammer in the post a little bit deeper, we think. But for now, it's totally fine. Next job, I have 2 leaks in here in the sweet potato patch. So one of them is right here. It's a big, it's not even a leak. It's just like a big gaping hole. Probably from when we repaired the run. So I'm going to just cut that part out. Super easy. Then I'm going to put one of these couplers in. and it's warm, so everything's working pretty well. Right. Okay. And then I have one more, and I know this because I looked for it the other day. Tested it because, oh, yep, here it is right here. So I think we probably, here you can see, big hole. I think we probably just set something on it when we were repairing the run and punctured it. Now this one, I have to cut a lot more out, which is fine. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, this is kind of the whole end of this. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do in this case, because this hole, there's multiple holes here, is I'm just gonna take the end off. So I'm just gonna take this end off here, and I'm gonna put this on the end of this tube here. And even though it doesn't go the length of the bed, it's totally okay because there are other drip tubes on here. So there we go. These all gotta come down soon, but ain't they so pretty? And the status. Okay, y'all, that's gonna be it for me today. It's kind of hot, but I also have to start getting things ready for dinner. So tomorrow we will plant all the yummy goodies over here on this table. I'm really looking forward to that. And then I'll also have to clear some stuff out in the front garden so I can put in more brassicas. So join me then. Hope you're having a wonderful weekend. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I hope you have a wonderful time in your garden. See you next time. Bye.